If you're experiencing payment errors with global payments, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause payment errors. Step 2. Verify payment information. Double-check the payment details you entered, including card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. Any inaccuracies can lead to transaction failures. Step 3. Review account status. Log into your Global Payments account to confirm that your account is active and in good standing. Any restrictions or issues with your account can affect payment processing. Step 4. Clear browser cache. If you are using a web browser, clear your cache and cookies. This can resolve issues caused by outdated or corrupted data stored in your browser. Step 5. Contact customer support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve payment errors effectively. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further help from customer support.